Woodworking can be a profitable hobby if you have a garage workshop and the right tools. Starting a woodworking business can generate extra cash, even for part-time amateurs. It is possible to make a living from woodworking on a full-time basis. Organize a dedicated space in your garage or basement for woodworking and invest in high-quality tools. As you gain experience, you can acquire more advanced tools like a planer, bandsaw, wood lathe, and laser wood burner. Lumber yards offer competitive pricing and a wider variety of finishes compared to big box retailers. The business side of woodworking is crucial for success, including customer service and commercial acumen. Establish a name for your business, advertise on social media platforms, and consider creating your own website. Satisfied customers who make repeat purchases are essential for a successful woodworking business. There are multiple ways to generate profit in the woodworking industry, such as starting a woodworking blog or YouTube channel. Selling your wooden creations locally and online can also be profitable. Consider creating wooden figures, keychains, or wooden decor as popular products. Stock up on high-quality goods and promote your products through social media and your own website for success. To read the full article, visit www.hobbiestix.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.